Here question, product of 1 into 3 square plus 2 into 5 square plus 3 into 7 square plus dot dot to 20 terms is equal to question mark. That is, we have to find out the sum of the series up to 20 terms. Now write the given expression or series. Solution. Write this is Sn. S means sum of n terms. 1 into 3 square plus 2 into 5 square plus 3 into 7 square plus what will be nth term? See, first terms are in AP 1, 2, 3, so on. So nth term will be n. Second terms 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. But 3, 5, 7 are in AP. So what will be this? A plus nth term n minus 1, 3, 5, 7. Common difference of these two, that of square. Again write one step, 1 into 3 square plus 2 into 5 square plus n, 2n minus 2 plus 3, so 2n plus 1, that of square. Now separately we write Tn is equal to, Tn means last term, or we may write Tn, that is equal to nth term. So Tn is equal to n into 2n plus 1. Simplify this, n into 4n square plus 4n plus 1. So Tn is equal to 4n cube plus 4n square plus n. Now if we put n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now if we put n is equal to 1, 2 and so on up to n, what will be this equation in 1? What will be this? T1 is equal to 4 1 cube plus 4 1 square plus 1. T2 is equal to 4 into 2 cube plus 4 into 2 square plus 2. T3 is equal to 4 into 3 cube plus 4 into 3 square plus 3 and so on. When n is equal to n, then is equal to 4 n cube n square n. Add these equations. What will be? Left hand side T1 plus T2 plus up to Tn. T1 plus T2 plus Tn is equal to 4 is equal to 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, n cube. Next will be 4, 1 square plus 2 square plus n square plus n. So we may write this summation I is equal to 1 to n Tn 4 summation I is equal to 1 to n cube plus 4 summation I is equal to 1 to n square summation I is equal to 1 to n. Hence next summation I is equal to 1 to n tn is equal to, we may write, or we should write n Sn. See 4 writing this. See here I writing, we need to know some formulas. We know 1 plus 2 plus n, the formula of AP series n into n plus 1 by 2. Another formula 1 square plus 2 square plus n square, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 6. 1 cube plus 2 cube and so on, suppose n cube, that is equal to n into, that is square. So replace this summation n cube by this. So what will be this? Replacing this by n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, plus replace this by this n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6. Next writing summation n by this formula, replace or Sn is equal to, see in each term this n into n plus 1 by 2 is present. So first taking the common, n into n plus 1 by 2, what is remaining here? Here 4 remaining, and 1 is taken out common, other one remaining. See what is remaining here? N into n plus by 2, 1 2 is taken out common, 6 can be written as 2 into 3. See, therefore numerator remaining 2n plus 1, in the denominator 3. These whole thing taken out common plus 1. Now again simplify. Sn n into n plus 1 by 2 as it is. Now we have to simplify this. 2 and 4 will get cancelled out. 1. Now 3 fractions. 1 may be considered as a fraction 1 by 1. Here also 1 by 1. If these things by 1. So LCM is 3. 2n n plus 1 into 3. 6. Whenever it will be multiplied, n square plus 1, 6n square plus 6n plus as it is 2n plus 1 plus 3. Here one mistake is here, 4's n square. So here will be 1 4. Here will be 1 4. So this will be 4 to 8n plus 4, or Sn is equal to n into n plus 1, 6n square, 6n plus 8n plus 14n, 4 plus 3, 7 by 3. As per question, we need to find out sum of 20 terms. So if we replace n by 20, we will get our answer. So S20, put n is equal to 20, S20, then it 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 2. Here will be what is 6, 20 square plus 14 into 20 plus 7 by 3. Again simplify. 2, 10, 3 on the 3, 7. So this is equal to S20 70, 10 into 7, 70. 20 into 20, 400 into 6, 20, 400 into 6, 24, 00, 280 plus 7. Or S20 is equal to, add this, 70 into 7, 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 8, 2, 2, 8, 6, 7. Now here doing graph. 2, 6, 8, 7 into 70. 0, 7, 7 the 9, 7, 7 the 9, 0, 8, 8. So S20, that is equal to 1, 8, 8, 0, 9, 0. Hence sum of the 20 terms of the series, of this series, will be, we are having the answer S20 188090. So if you have learned anything from this class, you should subscribe for getting as a notification next classes. Thank you for watching. Thank you.